Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to review the Mars Penta brush and I have got a lot of requests on that particular brush. So today I'm going to review that. Hope you guys will be liking the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so after that intro, let me just talk about the topic which I will be reviewing today, as you all were very interested in this. Now I am here talking about Mars Penta Perfect brush set. This is what it looks like. I have got lot many of requests from you guys only to review this product. Now this is the outer packaging, of course. This is a brush set. This retails for, by the way, this retails for 999 rupees and you get 5 brushes inside this. So yes, this is what the packaging is all about. I really love the white packaging. I mean, it is absolutely amazing. Now it says 5 brushes, infinite uh, possibilities. So yeah, this is the outer packaging. Talk about the inner packaging for once. So it comes in a black holder like this. Now it's a really nice thing that I get a holder this time, not those plastic packaging. Now of course this is made up of plastic, and then you have to open it from here like this, and when you open you have your brushes. Anyway, so you get 5 brushes, by the way. You get these 5 brushes. Now let me tell you what all brush you get. So this is the first brush. I think this will be very useful in applying your foundation. I will be applying everything and I will be showing you whether or not these are worth or not. So if you see, the height of the brush is like this much. I really have like small fingers, if you can see, and it is not even equal to any of my fingers, like equal to my ring finger. This is what the height is about. So this is for foundation. This is for powder products. You can powder your under eyes or you can apply powder blush, but not cream products or liquid products. For that you have to use this Kabuki flat top brush. Now you also get 3 eye brushes. So first is this angular brush. Now angular brush, you can definitely use this angular brush to fill in your eyebrows or make a wing liner. Let's see what we can do with this one. Then you get a brush like this. This is a round fluffy brush, very useful in blending your eyeshadow in the crease. Then the last brush which I have is this. This is flat eye brush, flat fluffy eye brush. Now again with this you can apply highlighter, like you can apply highlighter here, or you can also apply the product and pack the product and then blend it. Now let's see how these brushes fare. Product which I am showing you here is this one. This is the flat top brush. Now it is not very densely packed. If you can see, this is quite flexible, बहुत ज़्यादा ही flexible है, but I love how it looks like. I mean यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा brown shade है, which is very trending these days. Then you have white, and then this is what the body looks like. It's quite nice, quite sturdy to start with. Now let me just apply something with this and show you whether and if it works or not. So guys, I am going to apply a BB cream with this particular brush. Now the BB cream is also a new one, so I don't know how this is going to fare. So I'm just going to apply the product and let's see if the brush does it wonders or not. Although I feel that the brush is going to, perform well. I have a feeling regarding that. So let me just blend it right now. Okay, let me just apply the same thing on this side and then come back. Okay, so this is what the brush has blended the foundation. Now, first of all, whatever I applied was a BB cream, so it applied nicely. One thing I want to tell you, that the bristles are not very densely packed, or these are not very sturdy. तो बहुत flexible है. So I don't know, like I have used other brushes from Mars. वो बहुत ही अच्छे और डेंसली पिगमेंटेड, लाइक नॉट पिगमेंटेड, डेंसली पैक्ड ब्रश है. दिस इज नॉट अ डेंसली पैक्ड ब्रश. हाँ, काम चला हुआ है, आपका काम चल जाएगा. So this is what the first brush looks like, but I really want to apply my liquid blush with this, and let's see if it works or not. So I'm going to apply a little bit of liquid blush and let's just see if it blends properly. Okay, so it does its job nicely. I won't say that it does not work properly, but yes, it does its work very nicely. Treatment is a little different because I always used to do my videos sitting this side, and what you used to see is that side. But right now, because the weather is so, it's not good outside. It is very cloudy. I will show you the weather at the end of the video, then you can see how the weather looks. Now, anyways, the brush, it worked nicely product because I don't have a lot of product with me. Specifically, I don't use a lot of powder products, specifically in winter. But what I'm going to do is that you can definitely use this brush, you applying your blush or your highlighter. So you can place your highlighter over here and then call it a day. So I'm going to use my highlighter here along with this. Let's see if it works properly or not. Yeah, definitely. I think this is going to be my favorite brush because this is very multitasker. Don't underestimate the power of this brush. Yeah, so you can apply your highlighter, your powder, or you can say that your powder blushes with this particular brush, and this is going to look really nice. So yeah, this is the next brush. What I like about this brush is that this is not a very fluffy brush. It is tapered from the top, so I definitely like the shape and size of this brush. Perfect brush for your all of your powder products. Now, since I have already applied my eyebrow powder, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but let me see if I can apply some liner with this particular brush. This is the angular brush, and I'm going to use a powder product to apply something on my eyes. So let me just see if it works in that way or not. So very precise in application. So you can see if you want to apply any liner specifically with your powder products, you can definitely do with this, uh, to apply. So now let me see if I can apply properly. Okay, not bad, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so definitely this is again a very good brush. Let's talk about this fluffy brush now with this, because I have kept my palette here. So let me just take a very nice basic brown color with this, and let me just apply it on my crease and let's see if it works or not. By the way, ideally I should have done this before applying the wing liner, but me being me, I can do anything. So definitely it just applies so definitely it just applies and blends the product really nicely. Like blending it does really nice. Okay, so this is again a very good brush. You can't do a very detailed blending with this, but you can do a lot of blending things with this particular brush. Now I have this brush, so with this I'm going to apply some shadow on my eyelids because it is a packing brush, plus you can definitely blend it with it also. So did you see, applying with this brush was so easy, plus you can blend as well. I don't like a lot of bunch of color, so that's why I am just toning it down by blending it all, only by blending it. I really want you guys to see what I am doing. Did you see how easy was that? Now I'll also apply some color on my lower lash line using the same brush, like using this angular brush. Guys, so this is what my makeup looks like. I have done the entire face using these brushes only. Only the thing is that I have applied a lip balm. So guys, let's talk about the brushes one by one. So this particular brush, that is the foundation brush, this is not very densely packed. This will do your job. This will do your work nicely. But if you're expecting a really nice, sturdy and packed full packed brush like Mars used to have in their longer version. So this is not like that. This is just काम चलाओ brush, you can say. Now जो next brush है वो है ये वाला. This is the powder blush or powder blush brush, specifically powder products. Now this is a very good brush because this has a tapered ending, like tapered top. So definitely ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Now talking about this particular brush, which is the flat um, eyeshadow brush, eyeshadow blending brush. So with this you can of course apply the eyeshadow and then blend like I have done. So again a very useful brush. And then this round you can say blending brush. This does not do precise blending, but this is not very fluffy. It is quite nicely, very aptly fluffy brush. So you can blend the eyeshadow very nicely. You can also apply highlight with this on your nose, this corner, and then inner corners also. So definitely brush which I have is this one. This is the angular brush, which is very good for the eyeliner or filling out your brows. So really good thing. The best part about this is that this comes with a box, so you can definitely keep these things in a box and then call it a day. So for me, that works wonders. So now coming to the price point, which is 999, I would say if it was 699, I would have been happier because I have used Mars brushes earlier also. तो मुझे ये था कि at least it should have been priced somewhere around 699. They are making products very costlier these days, only this thing. Apart from that, if you're getting this on any discount, you can go and grab this. That was about it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys to the core. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.